Hey guys, and welcome to another video. And today I wanted to put back my license plate without the dealer cover, which is pretty much an advertisement for them. Now, if you don't get paid by your dealer, you might as well just get rid of it. So when I screwed back my license plate, I heard this eerily sound of something scratching. It's obviously my license plate's rubbing against something on the surface of my car. It could definitely be deformed by where the screw went in. In any case, we need something to space it out between the surface of the car and the license plate. So I went to Home Depot and actually went to the weather stripping aisle and got this high efficiency closed cell insulating foam tape. It's pretty much a roll of tape, I should say a roll of neoprene foam with tape on one side and foam on the other, and it's waterproof. Ultimately, we want to use this and use it as a spacer between the two. So we want to flip it. And as you can see, I've already cut some pieces off and placed them near the screw areas where it's most likely dented, and one in the center. Actually, it's a good idea to put on each side to balance things out. Word of caution, you don't want to put a strip across because you don't want water to collect anywhere on the top of the foam. You want it actually on the sides, maybe going downwards vertically so that it dries out easier. And you want to use foam instead of anything like furniture protectors, because that kind of crossed my mind. But those have fibers and they won't dry well. And foam, neoprene itself, is pretty waterproof. From the side, it's pretty thick and it can also compress very well. So let's get this back on the notorious 2020 Corolla. The foam should also dampen any noise or vibrations when you drive, preventing any contact from the plate cutting into the car paint over time. Now, just a reminder, make sure you use stainless steel bolts for your car plate, because anything else will rust. Leave a like if you found this tip helpful, comment below, and if you'd enjoyed my content, please consider subscribing to this humble YouTube channel. Alright, cheers guys.